mean, the biggest thing, and I've said it a couple times now, is you're gonna be a better listener. You're gonna be a better person, and also the as much as we're like it's a training in terms of like on the side of like a staff member to a um, to then working with our students or even with any group of youth, right? From being a coach to a teacher, you're you're gonna gain skills and you're gonna gain an understanding of yourself too. Because I think that's one of the other big things that I learned. Right, I was learning about parts of my life that maybe I was ignoring through his trainings, and because of the trainings, I was able to understand that for myself. Right, because it's sometimes hard to right listen and hear about ourselves. Right, um, so it's not only going to let you understand yourself better, and because of that, now you'll be able to listen better and understand the group of people that you're going to be working with.